Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Welcome back once again. I do truly miss filming every day, but I feel like this is going okay. So we're going to keep it up and see how things go without posting every day. I do miss you guys though, every day. All right. So today's our Saving Saturdays. This is where I come together. This is where I stuff my savings challenges from SilynthiaC Budget Creations or from our YouTube channels. Cassie J does have a Ko-Fi shop and a YouTube membership where she offers freebies. So you will see some of those featured here today. All right. We are going to figure out what we're doing here. First off, let's count up what we're stuffing. All right, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35 is what we're working with today. And we completed one savings challenge, I believe it was last Saturday. So that one's out of the running, and we will grab the dice to see how much we are putting into each savings challenge we have here. So first up is our April, which is $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know there's some cash in the back that kind of need to see what's going on there. This one is our monthly Christmas savings challenge, and it's a roll and save, or that's what I'm doing, is a rolling save. 1, 2, 3. All right, and oh, we only had 2 left. Okay, well, let's figure this out, you guys, because I want to complete my savings challenges before I move on to the next one. So let's see here. Oh, what do we have? 1. All right, and then we have one more roll and save here, and then this one will be completed. $3 again. I think I should roll again. 3. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's, oh man. Okay, well, I mean, it's better than nothing. I was really hoping to save a little bit more, but let's see. So we rolled a 3 and a 3. Lots of 3s on this one. All right. And let's see if we can get rid of some of these 5s. I don't think it's even necessary, but let's try. 5, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about we put $2? Okay. All right, so this savings challenge as a roll and save saved me 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, $23. Yay! So I am trying to complete these savings challenges through the year. So let me grab my other binders so we can put this away. All right, so this is my savings challenge binder that I am storing. I'm storing these savings challenges. Kind of need to get some bigger bills, but we'll work on that. I think we won't make a fuss about it right now. April complete. That is so satisfying. So this will be back out in May. And let's see what we have here. So we've already had some cash put aside here. All right, so we need $16. 9 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, and then we just need 5 more bucks. We're just going to do that. Okay. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this savings challenge is completed. Perfect. And we're going to count up what we actually saved in total. So our April monthly, this one is in SilynthiaC Budget Creations Etsy shop, so you're more than welcome to grab it from there, as well as the Christmas. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. $25 is what this savings challenge saved me. So it does say here that for the month of April, it should save you $20, but if you complete the bonus, then $25. Perfect. All right, and this is my sinking funds binder. So I'm just going to put this cash in the back here. I'm not going to count my total. I do need to get some bigger bills, so I can do a cash stuffing hopefully next week. Hopefully. I mean, we'll work on it. And now what we need to do is grab our savings challenges we want to work on. Let's see here. So this one is a roll and save, and this one is from I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. She has, like I said, memberships, so we want to put this one. I'm going to set this one here and see what I'm working with. So we're going to put this roll and save, and then we have a couple of other savings challenges. All right, so let's see here. This savings challenge with the yellow heels, she made specifically for me. I believe she was going to put it in the Google Drive, so hopefully it's there as a freebie. Then we have coffee and donuts, which I believe, I want to say it's in the freebies as well. If not, because we've made some adjustments to our shop and some things we took out and made freebies. And then this savings challenge as well. I'll try to double check where things are so that way we can make sure we're all on the same page. But I wanted to do, I think I'm going to do the micro roll and save Ebony Muse. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. And then I thought I had one more. Okay, we'll just go ahead and do this Leo savings challenge. This one is from our Zodiac collection. Oh my goodness, my kids are yelling. Okay, and we're going to get started with just stuffing the rest of this cash, see what we're working with. I think what we should do is, since we have 6 savings challenges we're actually working with, we'll roll the dice and see which savings challenge is getting $2. Oop, number 3. All right, I'm mixing it up. 1, 2. Number 6. 1, 2. Number 4. 1, 2. Number 5. Did I do that wrong? Number 4. Yes, I did. This is number 4. Oh boy, I'm mixing them up. Let's see here, because this one's a big one. I would think it's an envelope, but it's not. Let's see here. Let's see if that helps me a little bit. So special, you guys. 4. 4. What the heck? Let's see. Roll 6. 4. Oh my goodness. Number 4 is on it. 3. Oh, I knocked it off. 3, but it was 3. Oh, okay. So we have $1 going to 1. Okay. $1 here. Okay. Perfect. 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 And let's just try to breeze through this. We're adding $1 here. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to yell at my kids. They're screaming all loud. Hooligans. Okay, so we'll add this $1 here. And sometimes these take a while, and I'm okay with that. I just, uh-oh. Oh, this one didn't get any. Number 2 didn't get any. Okay. So we have 2 $4 going into our coffee and donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doll hairs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hopefully they'll dry enough for me to flip it over. Okay, let's put this savings challenge since it's already done. $2 here for Ebony Muse. All right, and then lastly, for our Leo savings challenge, we have $4. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm so glad to see this savings coming along. It's been incredible to see it happening. So we did complete 2 of our savings challenges, and I'm going to keep trying to push through and save as much as I can. So then that way I can go ahead and do a cash stuffing for my sinking funds on Wednesday. Once again, like clockwork, the sinking funds money, dwindles away pretty quickly if you ask me. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.